Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the what's this called again? How to put your clothes in the washing machine. So what you want to do is sort it into colours like so. There's the white, there's the black and blues. And then in here is the ones I'm going to be teaching. So it's like pinks and there's some blacks in here, but that's okay. It's not going to kill anyone because nothing happens. And you want to make sure you've got a tumble dryer where it goes around like the things. And then if you've got these Omo pods and you've got this and you've got the Omo pod, you want to get a capsule like this, and it's so blue and I love it. It's like if you cut this, it'd probably be like Tide or something because it looks like Tide, but yeah. So you just want to you just want to chuck this in there. You want to place this like on top, and then you want to make sure nothing is like on this part. And then you want to shut this. What do I do here? And then, so there's like hold on, I'll show you. There's like a little drawer that you pull out. Which one do I put it in, Mum? The Max or the liquid only? Huh? The middle? Okay, so I've been told I have to put it in the middle. And if you want yourself super soft, I recommend you use Fluffy because it makes stuff so soft.
Yeah, just pour it into that line.
I know, I just think. What line?
Need some more. Pour it straight into there. Oh.
Whoopsie doopsie, is that okay?
Yep, that's it, perfect.
Got some out. So yeah, and then you want to put this back in, and and then you want to press power
Just set back one to
every day, and then put it on start, and you're good.